Hi, I've got X15 open, and this is the same pretty much across the board, all the way down to Home Designer Suite. I wanted to talk to you about display options. Uh, there it is. This is the display options for plan view and only plan view. Well, I noticed a lot of newer users say, well, stuff disappears. It doesn't disappear. I'm going to take this and go to cabinets. Cabinets base, that's what that is, and turn that off. When I click OK, it disappears. But then we'll do a camera view in that direction. There it is. It's still there. It didn't disappear. It disappeared from that display option. This display options, wherever it is. Don't see the icon. Let's go over here to view. I thought it was, well, they keep making new versions, and sometimes I forget where stuff is. Maybe it's under tools. Oh boy. Dadgummit, I should have planned ahead. Okay. I think it's under, what is the project browser? No, that's not it. You can always tell that my videos are unpracticed. You're seeing this real time. See, in earlier versions, the project browser icon was in place on all views. There it is. Okay. So cabinet space is on. If I turn it off in this display options, oh, it goes off. That's the way it's programmed to work. Let me turn it back on. Okay. Cabinet space, we'll turn that on. I'll leave that there. I'm going to go over here to elevation tools. If I can find that camera. There we go. There's that cabinet in the elevation view. Well, this one has its own display options. Now this is properties for section view. Okay, this is the one for this one. And I can turn that cabinet back off. See, it disappeared. So there's not one display options dialog. There's about 11 or 12. Let's see. So there's one for each camera type. Apparently, yeah, it's turned off here. I'll turn it back on. There it is. This is properties for the camera view layer set. And then we'll go over here to, we'll try that. And it's on. And it's off. But it's still on over here. Close that camera. And of course, it's always off by default in the framing layer set, but I can turn it back on. I haven't built any framing, so that's all that's there. So that's the point I wanted to make to anybody looking at this video is when you're in layout, the toolbars are different. When you're in plan view, the toolbars are different. When you're in a camera view, the toolbars change a little bit. And so don't let that trip you up. It's just the way this software is programmed, and it's something basic to your competence that you need to get into communication with it so that it doesn't catch you by surprise. Okay? Thanks for watching this, and I hope it helps somebody. The rest of you, have a great day.